Hi there. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a photogrammetric model by using the IPS-AT triangulation module. The IPS-AT triangulation model has two major functions: match, a process that generates unique interest points in each image and correlates between them to create type points, and bundle, a statistical calculation of the coordinates and rotation angles of the images in the project. Open the IPS module and create a new project. Next, navigate to the desired folder and give the project a name. Navigate to the Input Images folder the input camera calibration file, and the input GPS file. Finally, define the estimated minimum and maximum height values for the project area. The AT module has three synchronized viewing windows: the data window, which displays the project data in two tables, the image list and the point list; the GeoViewer, which displays project data in a georeferenced environment; and an image view, which displays images for viewing and point sampling. Once a project has been created, open the GeoViewer and verify that the input GPS information is correct. Select the images which will be part of the AT processing and press the Match button. By default, image pairs will be created with the nearest neighbor algorithm, and the Match Parameters window will appear. The match process includes three main phases. Extraction. In this phase, AT finds interesting points within an image based on an innovative vector representation of image points. In each image, thousands of points are extracted and evaluated. Matching. AT reviews all image pairs and tries to parse the points through two filters, which reject match points that are not unique and match points whose distance is above the filter value. And managing. AT's additional filtering process to help reduce noise. The resulting points are stored in IPS proprietary format files with SVZ and MTC extensions. For most projects, the default values should produce a satisfactory output. To run the match process, simply press the Run button in the match window. Once the process is finished, close the match window and the resulting points will appear in the GeoViewer window. Review the connections which have been created by the match process. The thickness of each line represents the number of match points between each image pair. A thick line represents many match points, whereas a thin line represents fewer. If you are not satisfied with the number of match points, clear current image pairs, select the images which need to be enhanced and create new pairs, press the Match button in the Match window and change any relevant parameters. After modifying parameter values, press Run and Match will process the images with the new values. Once you are satisfied with the orthogonal match, define the image accuracy by selecting all images and pressing the Edit Images button from the Edit tab. By default, the image accuracy is set to 1 ground unit, meters or feet, but this value can be edited. Go to the Triangulation tab and press Solve to run the bundle adjustment calculation process. The bundle adjustment residual mean square value will be shown at the end of the process to show the geometric integrity of the model. High RMS values indicate poor geometric integrity. A good model usually has less than 1 pixel value. The bundle adjustment process can be repeated until an optimal model is achieved. The AT module has several variations for bundle adjustment, depending on the conditions in which the project images were captured. Approximate solve is a very robust variation of the bundle adjustment and is useful in projects which were taken in challenging conditions such as large rotation angles and unknown kappa values. Robust solve, a slightly less robust variation, which helps the bundle adjustment model to converge in project where the regular solve cannot. In regular solve, bundle adjustment for projects flown in normal condition. Special attention should be paid to image accuracy values. Recommended values for image accuracy are 0.1 to 0.3 when running approximate or robust solve, and 1 when running regular solve. Review the type points and correct any outliers which may still be present. Go to the points list and sort according to the max pixel residual column. Select one of the points with high residual values and go to the View tab to open one of the image viewer windows. The window will show the rays from type points to each connected image and visualize them as blue circles. If there are errors in the location of the rays, correct them by pressing the Sample tool and right-clicking the mouse button on the new point location. After editing points, resolve the model by pressing the Solve button. This concludes our tutorial for the IPS-AT triangulation module. For additional information, please review the user manual or contact us at support@icaros.us. Thank you for your attention.